All right, welcome back to the LCP Digital Learning Channel. I've heard several teachers talking about AirPlay dropping out when they're using YouTube. And the reason this is happening is when you're AirPlaying your entire screen or your entire computer to a YouTube channel, what's happening is the internet's coming in to your computer, loading the YouTube channel, having to go up to the Apple TV, and so you have several connections that can drop. What we're going to show you right now is how to go directly from the video into the Apple TV, which will alleviate a whole lot of those issues with stuttering video or dropping out video. So I'm going to show you on the iPad, and I'm going to show you on the computer how to do that. So let's jump right in. All right, so as you can see right now, I am in the YouTube app. It's important that you actually go from the app. So inside the app, here's our LCP Digital Learning YouTube channel that we have. So let me go into one of the videos. Before this plays, let me show you. So when I'm in this video, instead of going AirPlay in my whole iPad, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna press this button right here, okay? That button right there is gonna bring up AirPlay and Bluetooth. And so what I can do is I can actually AirPlay to the device that I want to send it to, and it will just send the video. It's not gonna send my entire screen. It will just send this video, which will help alleviate the dropout. So now let's go and look at what to do on the computer. When I'm in my computer, before I AirPlay, so I'm not AirPlaying yet, I wanna make sure that I'm in Safari. So I'm in YouTube, here's the video that I've chosen. Right here is my AirPlay button. If I click this AirPlay, and choose where I'm going to AirPlay to, what's great about this is it will only AirPlay this video. It's not going to do my full screen, which will alleviate the stuttering issues and the dropping issues when you're doing AirPlay. So don't AirPlay your entire computer screen, just AirPlay the video that you're wanting to show, and that should alleviate the issues with Wi-Fi. Hope that helps.
If you found this video helpful, make sure and hit that like button.
To make sure you get more videos like this, be sure to click right here to subscribe and to click the bell to make sure you get notifications.
If you'd like to submit a topic or concept for future videos, there's a link in the description down below.
And if you're looking for more digital learning tips and tricks, make sure to follow us on Twitter.